myself Bhumi Patel, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology in the Department of Electronics and Communication. Today's our topic is signal flow diagram examples in the unit number 2 mathematical model of the system. So in the last session we will study about how to convert the block diagram into the signal flow graph, and then using the Mason's-Gain formula we can find out the transfer function of the system. In this session we will convert the differential equation to the signal flow graph, and then we have to find out the transfer function of the system. Okay, so in the exam if they will ask that you have to find out this differential equation using the signal flow graph, then you have to use this method. So example will be given like this manner. The differential equation is given y2 that is equal to a1 to y1 plus a4 to y4, y3 that is equal to a23 y2 plus a53 y5, y4 that is equal to a34 y3, y6 is equal to a45 y4 plus a35 y3, and last one y6 that is equal to a56 y5. Okay, so first of all you have to draw the signal flow graph. Now whenever the differential equation is given, you have to draw the differential signal flow graph using the input and output terminal. Here the first equation is like that, y2 that is equal to a1 to y1 plus a4 to y4. So here y2 is my output signal for this particular equation. Okay, so first node that we have to draw, and the name of the node is y2. Okay, then y2 is equal to a1 to y1. That means y1 is my input node. Okay, and between y1 and y2 the gain will be a1. Clear? Now plus a4 to y4. Okay, so again here the y3 node is there and the next node is y4. Now you have to always remember that the arrow direction will be start from the input to output. Here output is y2. Okay, so you have to start from y4 and end with y2. And the gain will be a42. So start from the y4 and end with the y2. Okay, and the arrow direction is like that, and the gain will be a42. Clear? So this is my step number 1 for the differential equation. Now the next equation is y3 that is equal to a23 y2 plus a53 y5, a53 y5. Okay, so y3 is my output signal, so put one node y3. For y3, y2 is input signal, so we can put here y2, and the gain starting from y2 to y3, and gain will be a23. Here, this is my step number 2. Okay, now for that y5 and y3. So here you have to draw y4. y4, and this is my y5 starting from y5 and ending with y3 like this, and the gain will be a53. Clear? Now this step number 3. Okay, so the third differential equation is y4 that is equal to a34 y3, y4 that is equal to a34 y3. Okay, so only one terminal is there. y4 is my output, y3 is my input, and between them path gain will be A3, 4. Okay, now in the step number 4, the fourth equation is y5, that is equal to A4, 5, y4 plus A3, 5, y3. Okay, so y5 is my output for this particular differential equation, and y4 and y3 is input. So you have to put here 3 node, y3, y4 and y5. Okay, now for A4, 5, y4, starting from y4 and ending with y5, and the gain of these two nodes is A4, 5. Clear? Now for the second term, A3, 5, y3. That means starting from y3, ending from y5, and clear. And the gain will be A3, 5. Now the last step and the last equation is y6, that is equal to A5, 6, y5. y6, that is equal to A5, 6, y5. Okay, so simply you have to put here two node, y5, y6. y6 is output, y5 is input, and gain will be A5, 6. Okay, now you have to join this all the steps and draw the final signal flow graph. So the final diagram, final signal flow graph is, so first of all you have to check how many nodes is there. So starting from y1 to y6. Okay, so starting from y1, y2, y3, y4, y5 and y6. Clear? Now for step number 1, y1 to y2, a1 to then y4 to y2, a4 to a4 to. Step number 2, y2 to y3, a2, 3. And y3, y5 to y3, that is a5, 3. A5, 3. Now the step number 3, y3 to y4, a3, 4. A3, 4. Now the step number 4, y3 to y5, a3, 5. y3 to y5, a3, 5. Then next, y4 to y5, a4, 5. Okay, and y5 to y6, a5, 6. Okay, so arrow direction is important, because using this arrow direction we have to decide that how many forward path is there and how many loops is there. Okay, so this is my final signal flow graph for this particular differential equation. Now you have to apply the Mason's gain formula, and for that step number 1, find out the number of forward path. So P1 is equal to, starting from the input signal and ending with the output signal, the first forward path is A12, A23, A34, A45 and A56. Okay, the second forward path is available or not? So yes, the second forward path is A12, A23, A35 and A56. Now third is available or not? So there is a no third forward path is there. Now step number 2, you have to find out the number of individual loop. Okay, so here the first loop is here A23, A34 and A42. So the first loop is A23, A34 and A42. Okay, the second loop is starting from A34, 45 and 53. 34, 45 and 53. Clear? Okay, and the third loop is there or not? Okay, so this is the loop, the forward path, and this is my feedback path. So A35 and A53. So this is my third loop. Okay, now step number 3, find out the two non-touching loop. Okay, so this is my first loop node. This is my second loop. So the node is common, and for the third loop again node is common. So there is a no two non-touching loop. The answer is 0. Now find out the three non-touching loop. So if there is a two non-touching loop is there, so there is not availability for the three non-touching loop. Now step number 5, find out the value of delta. So delta is equal to 1 minus summation of individual loop plus summation of two non-touching loop minus summation of three non-touching loop. Okay, now the step number 6, find out the value of delta I. So delta 1 is equal to 1 minus all the loop that do not touch the first forward path. So you have to check. In the first forward path, all the loops will be touching. So 1 minus 0, that is equal to 0, delta 2. That is equal to the second forward path is A12, A23, A35 and A56. So all the loops is again touching. So the answer will be 1 minus 0, that is equal to 0. Okay, now the last step, step number 7, find the transfer function. So transfer function is C of x upon R of s, that is equal to P1 delta 1 plus P2 delta 2 upon delta. Put the value of P1 and delta 1 in this equation. So P1 is equal to A12, A23, A45, A56, delta 1 is equal to 1. What is the value of P2? That is A12, A23, A35 and A56. A35, A56. One term is remaining for the P1, 3, 4, 4, 5 and 5, 6. So here 3, 4 is missing, A34. And what is the value of delta? So delta is equal to 1 minus L1 is equal to A23, A34 and A42 plus A34, A45, A53 plus A35 and A53. So this is my final transfer function, and transfer function is nothing but the ratio of Laplace of the output to the Laplace of the input signal. So whenever the differential equation is given, you have to draw the signal flow graph using this differential equation and then find the transfer function using the Mason's gain formula. Thank you everyone. If anyone have doubt regarding this topic, you have to contact me in my email ID.